Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can file a claim and get help with your Roku, whether you're needing to return it, get something replaced, maybe something is broken, it's within that warranty period. So we're going to go over to support.roku.com/contact us. I'll link this support page down in the description. You need to select an issue from this drop-down menu. Now for me, right out of the box, unfortunately, my Roku Streaming Stick Plus, the remote, the volume down button is jammed and it does not work. So that's the issue that I'm going to report to Roku through their website. So I'm going to go down and in the drop-down menu, click on where it says questions about returning my Roku device or managing my order, then clicking continue. And your options are to manage or return or replace your Roku.com order. So if you ordered from Roku.com, that's what you're going to click. I ordered it from Walmart, so mine's going to be a return or replace a product that I bought elsewhere. And then it says, where did you purchase your Roku device? And there's a few different options here. Mine was from a retailer, specifically Walmart. And then it gives me the eligible devices in my account that I can start a return process for. And like I said, it was the remote, unfortunately, with my Roku streaming stick. So I'm going to click on that option here and then click replace. And then it takes us over to the product return and exchange page. And it is worth noting that there's different types of returns and exchanges, whether there's a defective product, like in my instance, or you might be eligible for a refund if you're within 30 days of the purchase. For instance, you don't necessarily have to have something wrong with the product to return it as long as you're within that return period for the streaming player that you have. So then you're going to enter in your contact information, and then down in this text box, put in a reason for your return or exchange. And after you type in your reason for return or exchange, go ahead and click continue. And then just check everything over to make sure it looks right. And then at the end, click where it says submit return/exchange request. And then it says further information and return instructions will be provided via email response to your provided email address. So be on the lookout for that email that you're going to get from Roku support. And if it doesn't show up in your inbox, be sure to check your spam, junk, clutter folders, things such as that. So I just got a response from the Roku support team. I'm actually pretty impressed how quick they were. I initially sent in my request at 4:12 p.m. and they sent me back a response within less than a half an hour at 4:32, so 24 minutes later. And it says, thank you for contacting Roku. Your Roku player is in warranty. We will honor your replacement request and replace the remote in question. Please respond to this message completing/confirming the below details to initiate a replacement. And then you just got to double check the details and information below. Once I respond to this email, then a replacement will be initiated, and I should expect the delivery within 3 to 5 business days based on where my shipping address is located. So I hope this video is helpful, showing you the step-by-step process on how you can get a refund or return or a replacement going through the Roku support. Again, I'll link the information down in the description where you can access the support area on Roku's website. So thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.